morning everyone, welcome back with me again. Okay, this time I'm here in Ubud and this is about 8 o'clock in the morning, guys. Today let's walk around here. This is Jalan Raya Ubud and I think some of you know about Campuhan Ridge Walk. I want to walk a little bit in the area and let's see, guys, let's enjoy morning view from Campuhan Ridge Walk. But before we arrive there, let's see or walk around in this area first. Anyway, look at this. This is a different view. Ubud in the morning. It's very relaxing. No traffic jam. Is that your favorite warung? Murnis warung. It's still closed, of course, at this time. And here, what is this? Scooter for rental. All the shops, most of them still closed. And here also there's a new cafe. They open from 9, guys. So soon they will open. It is good to walk actually at this time. Perfect weather, sun is shining. And it's not busy road, no traffic jam. Everything is good. But if you come at the afternoon, probably this street will be busy, turning into zoo. Okay, let's go to the left here. Have you been staying at Iba Hotel? It is right there, guys, in front of us, the entrance. But this time we are not going to the resort, but instead let's keep walking and go to Campuhan Ridge Walk. Anyway, talking about traffic jam in Ubud that you normally see around Ubud Center, starting from noon, I heard the government planning to open up a new road around Ubud, but I'm still not really sure where. But at least there is something, good news, even though, I don't know, hopefully soon they can find some solution. Because yeah, that time around Ubud, it's really traffic jam, guys. Let's keep walking. It was a school, I think, here before, but the school is gone now. And if you drive your scooter, you can park it here. And there's a little warung as well. You can get your coconut, 25k sarongs. And let's go down here. Let's enjoy the nature. And there is a temple also here. Let's have a look from outside. Hello. There is a beautiful temple actually here. But as you can see, no entrance. So we can just see a little bit from outside. It's a beautiful gate. There are a few gates here, 1, 2, 3. And just a little bit about temple. Anyway, temple area is divided into like 3 areas, guys. We call it Jabo, Jabo Tengah, and Jeroan, or outside, middle, and the sacred areas for praying. And not all the temple actually easy to enter. Some of them are very strict. But there are a few temples that you can go and enter to see inside. But of course, there's like a rules. You need to cover up, you need to wear sarong. And for the ladies, you are not in your period time. So it just feels good, I think, walking here in the morning with the sounds of river and what is this, bugs or birds? If you watch the movie from Julia Roberts, Eat, Pray, Love, there are few scenes of the movie made here at this Campuhan Ridge Walk, guys. And the track, it is connected from the main street in Ubud. You can go here and it will lead you to go to Jalan Keliki. And after you arrive at Jalan Keliki, when you go out, you will go to Jalan Sanggingan and you can go around and back to Jalan Raya Ubud. So it's quite long walk. It's good for exercise. Hi buddy, look at this dog. It is really cute. What are you doing? Let's walk, let's go. He's just relaxing, maybe he's still sleepy. Bye bye, bye bye, bye bye.
Oh, the cinnamon with the S. I think so. But I like some cinnamon more. You like cinnamon?
Morning. Look at this here on the right side. What is it? I think there's a small cafe, but it's still closed at the moment. What is it? Is it a cafe or something? We're not really sure. And here you can do your swing, guys. Jungle swing. It's still closed at this time. But anyway, talking about swing in Bali, there are a lot of options you can do, especially in Ubud area. There are a lot of them at Tegalalang area, where is the rice paddies area, and you can swing in the background of rice paddies there, and you can also rent a dress, so it's good for your Instagram maybe. But I just hope that they will not take all the rice terrace for a swing, guys. Save a little bit for the few. There's a bird here, very cute one. This bird in Bali we call it kurkur, guys, because it makes noise like, or the voice like kur kur, like that. I think a lot of you have been to this place, isn't it? And a lot of people, they start to do exercise, jogging here from early in the morning, guys, until now. And I think later maybe still some people doing the exercise. Okay, let's sit here for a while and let's enjoy the view from the sky. So this is the place, guys, Campuhan walk situations at the moment. So what do you think? Do you like to come here maybe to do some exercise or to do some jogging a little bit in the morning? It's a perfect time actually to come here. And anyway, for you that planning to come to Bali, and if you want to make like a short memory about your holiday in Bali, I will be happy to come to your accommodation. Let's make a small video, guys. Maybe we can give information for people about your accommodation or sharing the information for the people. So I will be happy to come to your accommodation. Okay, so I think that's all for this time video from this Campuhan Ridge walk in Ubud. I hope you enjoyed it. See you again at the next one. Thank you very much and bye now.